just going to give you a quick demo of where people go. So I set you up with an account. Richard, decent partners here. I'm going to log in as you, and I've already created a few keyword groups already, but I thought I'd add some more and give you a demo in kind of real time. So the first keyword groups I've done are all kind of location specific. So it's a technique I quite like to do, where I'll take some simple keywords, like here I've used motorcycle club, custom motorcycles, and then I've appended place names. And what I find this is really helpful with is capturing where people are going based on where they are in the country. So if you type Motorcycle Club Aberdeen, you're going to get the experience that someone in Aberdeen might get. So it's a bit of a keyword hack. But now I've just asked ChatGPT for 50 keywords that someone looking to build a custom motorcycle might search for. So I'm just going to use those. I'm going to paste them into where people go. Then I'm just going to select the country that we're interested in. So Google's got lots of different search indexes. We're going to go UK, English. Just go add here. And now all of these keywords are being kind of searched. I'm just going to name this while that's going ahead. So these are, I just put ChatGPT 50 keywords. Okay, so what this has done is it's searched them all in Google now, and it's also done a monthly search volume check. So what we're kind of interested in is which of these keywords are going to be most popular with the audience. Not all of the keywords we've got back have got data associated with them, and if we go into some of the other keyword groups that we've looked at, say for example like motorcycle mechanic, none of these have got volume data, and that's not uncommon when you're using fairly kind of niche terms, that the data isn't always complete, but there's still useful stuff to be gleaned from it. But so let's select the keywords we've just added here, the ChatGPT ones, and let's view the data. So what this is telling us is that there's 338 different websites with a page 1 Google ranking. We can tweak the settings, but we've only looked at page 1 results. And then we've got a nice map which is predicting where the most people are going for those keywords. And that's obviously going to be skewed by the keyword data, the volume data that we've got. But we can change the input to, okay, well, which sites are matching the most keywords. So sometimes that's a nice indicator. Which sites are the highest up in the ranking. So these green ones will tend to have, let's have a look. So the bigger red ones actually have got a larger, higher position. And then which ones have got the most unique URLs. So as you'd expect, you tend to get things like Facebook, YouTube, and your kind of social or your big giants appearing more here because they'll have more content on the subject. So, but now let's go back to let's select all of them. Sorry, all of the keywords. Let's view the data. So here's a giant map, and let's go and look at the table view. So, for example, Facebook, there, lots of pages here, and Facebook's a bit different to like a regular website, say Motorcycle News, because Motorcycle News, all of these pages belong to that one publisher, but with Facebook, all of these pages are belong to different Facebook pages or accounts. So, but there's another feature that I'll just take you through quickly, called tags. So I've added Autofabrica, the brand that you're interested in, and just a couple of other bike brands as an example. And if we go back to the data table, we can, if you imagine this map here, so what we're doing now is we're crawling all of the pages that make up this map, and we're seeing if Autofabrica or if the other competitor sites are being mentioned on that page. So let's try to see if we can find an interesting one. Okay, so Oh, not Wix site. That's pretty. Oh, wait, let's have a look. Okay, all right. Let's try this one. So we've got wixsite.com. So this is telling us that it's ranking position 7 for Motorcycle Club Chelmsford, and that it mentions KTM. So let's see if that actually is right. No, that's a terrible example, and I imagine it will be in the source code. So let's try another one. Actually, maybe it's in the. Sometimes it's in the nav. No, this isn't dynamic nav. Okay. I hate it when that happens. All right, so let's try another one. Okay. Demon Tweaks. Oh no, let's run this. Right. Fuelexhaust.com. Sounds nice and petrol heady. So that's got some competitor mentions there. Okay, so motorcycle engine upgrades. This is ranking 4. So let's go to this page. Can we see BMW? Yeah, there we go. Yes, we can. We can see Kawasaki, KTM. So that's a better example. Yeah. Anyway, that's a quick demo, and what I'm thinking of is that in these maps we've essentially got a view of the media landscape for the subjects that we're interested in, like motorcycles and mechanics here, and so this is the audience experience. But what I think decent partners could do is we could add a human level to this. So which humans are associated with this media landscape, and then maybe the whole kind of connection thing could be connecting the right people to the people with the biggest audience. So yeah, if that makes sense, it'd be good to explore. Anyway, cheers mate, bye.